Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. With Christmas just around the corner, it's time to bring that holiday magic into every corner of your home. And today, I'm focusing on one room that often gets overlooked when it comes to holiday decorating, the kitchen. Your kitchen is the heart of your home, especially during the holidays. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it cozy, festive, and ready for Christmas gatherings. Stick around as I share some fun, simple, and creative ideas that will transform your kitchen into a Christmas wonderland. Let's get started. Step 1. Add greenery. First up on our list is one of the easiest ways to add a festive touch to your kitchen, greenery. Bringing the outdoors in with Christmas greenery is a surefire way to set a cozy and seasonal tone. Let's start with Christmas wreaths on your cabinets. Hanging small wreaths from the doors of your upper cabinets instantly elevates the space. You can go with traditional pine wreaths for a classic look, or mix it up with frosted or flocked wreaths for a snow-kissed feel. Simply tie them up with festive ribbon, red, plaid, or even something sparkly, and you're done. It's such a simple yet impactful way to bring a holiday vibe right into your kitchen. Now, if you have a staircase that's visible from the kitchen or runs along the space, don't forget to drape some garland on the stair banister. Adding garland is not only visually pleasing but also fills your kitchen with that rich pine scent. You can weave in some fairy lights, pine cones, and ornaments to make it feel even more festive. Whether it's artificial or real, greenery adds a touch of warmth and a hint of the forest indoors. Step 2. Change out everyday items for kitchen Christmas decor. One of the best ways to decorate your kitchen for Christmas is by swapping out everyday items with holiday-themed decor. It's easy and makes a big impact without feeling like you've overdone it. Start with your coffee station. We all love our morning coffee, so why not make it festive? Add some cute Christmas mugs to the mix. Whether they're adorned with snowflakes, reindeer, or Santa himself, these small details can bring holiday cheer to your daily routine. You could also include a jar filled with candy canes for stirring your cocoa or coffee. It's decorative and delicious. Next, think about your kitchen art. Change out your regular wall art or framed prints with holiday-themed pieces. This could be something as simple as a framed Christmas quote, an illustration of a winter scene, or vintage holiday art. It's an effortless way to switch up the room's vibe and tie everything together. Lastly, if you have a bench or bar stools in your kitchen, don't forget to add some Christmas pillows. A festive pillow here and there can instantly make the seating areas in your kitchen feel warm and inviting. Look for pillows with holiday prints, like plaid, snowflakes, or cozy sayings. It's another simple swap that makes a world of difference. Step 3. Create special Christmas moments throughout the room. Now, let's talk about creating special Christmas moments throughout your kitchen. This is where you can really get creative and add some fun, whimsical touches that make your kitchen feel like a festive retreat. One of my favorite ideas is setting up a mini Christmas village. You can place this on a kitchen counter or shelf. It's such a charming way to add holiday magic. You can buy small village pieces from the store or get creative and make your own using everyday items. Add in some faux snow and mini trees, and it becomes a delightful corner that both kids and adults will love. Next up is the sink and window area. This spot often gets neglected, but it's the perfect place for a small Christmas moment. You can place a mini Christmas tree or some winter candles by the sink. Add a festive dish soap dispenser and maybe some holiday-themed hand towels. Also, hang a garland or some twinkling lights around the window frame for that extra cozy glow while you're washing up after a holiday meal. One unique and beautiful idea is to hang Christmas ornaments from the chandelier. If you have a chandelier or pendant lights over your kitchen island, drape some pretty baubles from the fixture. This is such a stunning way to add a festive touch overhead, and it brings your eye upward to enjoy every part of the room. For a truly heartwarming centerpiece, why not create a gingerbread house village? Set it up on your kitchen table or island. You can make a few gingerbread houses and decorate them with icing, candy, and gumdrops. This makes for a lovely centerpiece and a fun activity to do with family. Next, if you have a kitchen desk or a small work area, consider adding some vintage touches. Old-fashioned holiday postcards, a vintage tin full of Christmas cookies, or an antique clock with a festive garland draped over it can create a nostalgic, warm atmosphere. It's a subtle yet beautiful way to add holiday charm. And last but certainly not least, let's not forget the Christmas coffee bar. This one's a game changer for coffee lovers. Set up a little nook with your coffee maker, holiday mugs, a jar of hot cocoa mix, candy canes, and a bowl of marshmallows. Add in a small Christmas tree or some greenery, and your morning routine will feel extra special during the holiday season. And that's it. Those are some simple, fun, and creative ways to decorate your kitchen for Christmas this year. From greenery to festive touches on everyday items, and creating little Christmas moments throughout the room, there are endless possibilities to make your kitchen feel merry and bright. I hope these ideas inspire you to get decorating and turn your kitchen into a festive retreat where you can enjoy the holiday season to the fullest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more holiday decor tips. Leave a comment below and let me know which idea was your favorite, or share your own kitchen decorating tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy decorating!